Get this, I'm going up hella stairs just to get to some bus stop on the other side of this bridge. This is quite an adventure. Giant fish! I was over there. The 155 that I could be taking right now doesn't be running anymore. So I'm going to walk the rest of the way. My feet hurt, but at least I'm happy I can see the hill closer. See, there it is, right above that white building. The American flag dances gracefully in the wind. Wendy's better let me use their bathroom or I will be so pissed. And they did. Aw, they're so nice. Oh yeah, baby. I am on the hill now. No longer in Kent, but now in Renton. The sun is still shining on the mountains. I'm getting closer. It's getting dark, but I think I see the sign that it's one girl who got off the bus before me. That one time over there. So I'm really close, but I'm just tired. The view here is really great, but I am tired as heck. Once again, I have made it, and I am tired. Not to mention trying to avoid stepping on little slugs with my heels of death. But yeah. My legs are so tired, like nothing is jiggling now at all. I will have no trouble just sitting at home tomorrow, curled up with a book or two.
Yeah, no, face, pose. Pose, damn it, pose. Yeah, it's all kind of. Want to take off the backpack? This isn't feel right. Yeah.